When it comes to working out, a lot of people think you need heavy weights or fancy machines to really build strength. But let me tell you, resistance bands are a game changer. They're simple, portable, and incredibly effective. You can take them anywhere, and they don't take up much space. It's like having a gym in your pocket. So, let's break down how to use these bands to build real strength. First off, you need to choose the right band. They come in different thicknesses, which means different levels of resistance. If you're just starting out, go for a lighter band. You want to focus on form and technique before you start cranking up the resistance. It's all about building a solid foundation. Once you feel comfortable, you can gradually move to thicker bands. It's like leveling up in a video game. You earn the right to tackle tougher challenges. Now, let's talk about exercises. One of the best things about resistance bands is their versatility. You can work almost every muscle group. For your upper body, think about bicep curls. Stand on the band, hold the handles, and curl up. You'll feel that burn in no time. For your back, try seated rows. Sit on the floor with your legs extended, wrap the band around your feet, and pull back. It's like you're rowing a boat, and trust me, your back will thank you. Moving on to your lower body, resistance bands are fantastic for squats. Place the band just above your knees, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, and squat down. You'll engage your glutes and thighs like never before. And don't forget about lateral band walks. With the band still above your knees, take small steps to the side. It's a killer move for your hips and glutes, and it's great for stability. Now, here's a pro tip. Always keep tension on the band. That's where the magic happens. If you're just letting it go slack, you're missing out on the resistance that builds strength. Focus on controlled movements. Slow and steady wins the race. You want to feel the muscles working, not just going through the motions. And let's not overlook the importance of breathing. Inhale as you prepare for the movement, and exhale as you exert force. It's a rhythm that helps you maintain control and focus. Finally, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions a week and mix it up. You can combine bands with bodyweight exercises for a full-body workout. The more you challenge yourself, the stronger you'll become. So grab those bands and let's get to work. Strength is waiting for you.